Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open the debug logs in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to set up your debug logs levels in your developer console, or you can do it also in setup. So for example, we can go to the developer console and from here we will find debug. So you will find perspective manager and you can find the debug, or you can simply just go to the trace flags, and you can start adding some trace overrides or traces for your debugging. And basically, when you can start adding these traces, these debugs will be added to your debug logs. And to find your debug logs, you will need just to go to setup, and then you will need just to go to the quick find, search for debug, and basically you will find the debug mode, and you will need just to enable it and have all these debugging mode users. And now we can go to the debug logs. So basically in the debug logs you will find all your debug or your logs here that will be showing here, and then you can click on each one of them, and then you can start uh, considering or opening your logs and see and troubleshoots the errors that's happening in your organization or in your applications that you are developing, etc. So then you can start, for example, going again to the developer and start executing some codes, and then you will have your debug logs that will be created for debugging. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.